everyone. We are doing level 3 integration. Question E. This is a 2022. Question 1B, 2022. The graph below shows the functions y equals e to the power of x squared and y equals 3e to the power of x plus 10. Find the exact value of the shaded area. Right. So as you know, to find the area, you go integral top function take away bottom function, right? From 0 to whatever that is. Oops. So we have to find the intersection. So to find that intersection point, we have to solve these two equations simultaneously. So left hand function is e to the power of 2x, right? Equals 3e to the power of x plus 10. And I rearrange it, and I get this. And I see as a quadratic function, I can replace e to the power of x as u. Then it's easier to see, isn't it? So 2, 5 minus, so u plus 2, u minus 5 equals 0. That means that u must be negative 2 or 5, meaning e to the power of x is negative 2 or 5. Now, e to the power of x can't be negative 2. You know why? E to the power of x is exponential graph, always positive, never negative. So it's got to be 5. So what it means is that e to the power of x is 5. That means when I take natural log, x equals natural log 5, isn't it? So that point there is natural log 5. So then we have to determine which one is top function, which one is above. Well, I see this is above because when x is 0, e to the power of 0 is 1, right? 3 times 1 plus 10, which is 13. So that must be 13. When I plug there here, e to the power of 0, 1 squared is just 1. That's 1, isn't it? So I see integral. I should go 3e to the power of x plus 10 and then minus e to the power of 2x dx from 0 to ln 5. Okay. So we integrate this. So 3e to the power of x becomes just 3e to the power of x, and 10 becomes a 10x, and then e to the power of 2x becomes e to the power of 2x over 2 from 0 to ln 5. So when I plug e to the power of ln 5, that becomes just 5, isn't it? Plus 10 ln 5 minus e to the power of 2 ln 5. So which means ln 5 squared, isn't it? Over 2. And then take away when you plug 0 into x. Well, that's not 0 because e to the power of 0 is 1. So it's a 3, and 10 times 0 is 0. And minus 1 over 2, right? So as I said, that's a 5. Then 15 plus 10 ln 5. And that's just simply 5 squared, isn't it? So 25 over 2. And that is 5 over 2. Now, when I plug that, it's negative 30 over 2, which is negative 15. So those ones gone. So what left is just 10 ln 5. That should be the answer. But if I change that to decimal, 10 ln 5 is a 16.1 approximately 1 dp. Should be the answer. Alright. Okay, I will see you next time. 안녕.